Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can send snaps on iPhone. Well, it is quite easy. So first thing that you have to remember is you need to add some friends on your Snapchat in order to send snaps. So after making sure that you have friends on your Snapchat, you can simply open your Snapchat. And immediately after opening your Snapchat, your camera will be open. From here, you can simply click your photo and then send to the person that you want to send the snap to. But if you want to use any kind of Snapchat filters, right here you can swipe through the filters just like this. And here you can see you will be now able to use any kind of Snapchat filters given here. So for now, if I simply just want this particular Snapchat filter right here, I can simply choose it and simply tap on the filter circle just like this. And I have now successfully snapped my photo. And all I have to do is simply tap on send to button right here. And then from here, you can now select the friend that you want to send your snap to. So for example, if I want to send to this particular person right here, I can simply tap on it and then tap on the blue button right here and send them my snap just like that. And just like that, you will be able to send snaps on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.